Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So today I'll be telling about one of the numerical on spanning tree protocol. Next is router on a stick, and third one is the spanning tree PORTFAST command. So let's start it. First of all, I will move to the first switch. In the switch command line interface, okay, so here I will write enable config t. Next is next is next one is here. What are the interfaces present? Here the interfaces which are present is first, then second, third, fourth. First, this is first, second, third, fourth. So four interfaces. Now first of all, in the switch I will write spa. This actually means spanning tree mode Rapid PVST. This is the command which I have used, but in a shortcut way I have used it. Now after that, and I have to use this command in all the switches. Next in each of the switches I have to configure all the communication links. So interface range FA0/1 to 1 to 4, because the fifth one is connected to the interface. Fifth FA0/5 is connected to the PC, rest all other are connected to the routers and switches. So I will enter into all and I will select all, then I will write switch port mode trunk. Next after that I will select again interface FA0/5, switch port mode SS, then switch port SS VLAN. Orange color is 10 because I have shown it here in the side, that is 10, 20 and 30, and I have even selected the IPs of all. So VLAN 10 has been created, but remember that other VLANs are not created, so I have to create even VLAN 20 and VLAN 30. I have created all the VLANs. Now I have to write I have to write switch port, now I have to write spanning tree PORTFAST, spanning tree PORTFAST. Okay, let me do one thing. Exit it. Now let me again move to the switch port mode access VLAN 10. First of all, move to the switch port mode access interface FA0 slash switch interface FA0 slash 5. Then spanning tree. Then I will write spanning tree PORTFAST. Okay. Now I have configured the spanning tree PORTFAST in the FA0/5 command. Remember that spanning tree PORTFAST should not be used in the trunking interfaces. See, here it is written where the interfaces is a non-trunking mode, there only it should be entered. Now switch 1 is done. Now let's go to the switch 2. They are the same commands I need to use. Enable config T, after that config T, done. Then after that interface range 1 and 2, FA0/1 to 2, switch port mode trunk. Okay, done. Then again I have to use, remember that spa mo ra. This command is need to be used in the switch but not in any of the interfaces. Then I will again select interface FA0/3. This is green color, means 20, VLAN 20. Interface 0/20, switch port mode access, then switch port access VLAN 20. Then after that I have to write spanning tree PORTFAST. Then I have to write VLAN 10 and VLAN 30. Done. Now let me move to the next switch. In this switch I will move to first, second and third interfaces are trunk. Enable config T, then after that interface range FA0/1 to 3. These are all switch port mode trunk. Then after that again exit. Then I will used again spa mo ra. This is need to be used in the switch. Next is interface FA0 slash first is 4. Then spanning, sorry, then here I have to write switch port mode SS, then switch port SS VLAN The fourth one is orange color, that is VLAN 10. Then after that, now I will next to FA0, then interface FA0/5, then sorry, before moving to the interface FA0/5, I have to again enter into interface FA0/4. There I have to write spanning there I have to write as spanning tree PORTFAST. Okay, now let me move to the interface FA0/5, and because in every interfaces I have to write spanning tree PORTFAST. Now in the interface FA0/5, this is FA0/6. okay, the center one is 0/5. Now this is which color? The center one is blue, orange, green color. It means in switch port mode SS, switch port SS VLAN 20. Then I have to write as spanning tree PORTFAST. Now I have to again go to the interface FA0/6, then switch port mode SS, then switch port SS VLAN 30, then spanning tree PORTFAST. Done. Now next move to this switch. In this switch, enable config T. Then what are the interfaces? 1 and 2 are 1 and 2 are the trunk. So interface range FA0/1 to 2. These are the trunk. So switch port mode trunk. Then exit. Then SPA move ra. Then after that I will move to the next interface, that is switch interface, and that is the interface 3 and 4. Let me move to the third interface, which is VLAN 30. Then interface FA0/3 0/3. Interface FA0/3. In this interface I will move. Then here switch port mode SS, then switch port SS VLAN 30. Then after that spanning tree PORTFAST. Now next let me move to the interface FA0/4, then switch port mode SS, then switch port SS VLAN 20, then switch port SS VLAN spanning tree PORTFAST. Now VLAN. Now the next one is now I will move to the exit command, and I will type VLAN 10. Now even I have created VLAN 10. Now let me move to this switch. In this switch 1, 2, 3 and 4, all these are trunk. So enable, then config T, then interface range FA0/1 to 4, 1 to 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are trunk interfaces. Then switch port mode trunk. Then after that exit spa mo spamura. Then next I will move to interface fa0 slash. So next is interface fa0 slash fifth one. Yeah. Then in the fifth interface switch port mode SS, then switch port SS VLAN 10. Then after that spanning tree PORTFAST. Then after that exit, after that VLAN 20 and VLAN 30. Okay, so done for the fifth. Then move to this sixth switch. Here enable. The next one is config T. Then next one is how many first interfaces and second interfaces are trunk. Interface range fa0 slash 1 to 2. These are switch port mode trunk. Then after that exit. Then spa mo ra, that is spanning tree mode rapid PVST per VLAN spanning tree. Then next move to the interface fa0 slash 3 fa. The next one is interface fa0 slash 3, that is okay. After that here in this interface, next one is the switch port mode SS. The next one is switch port SS VLAN. So it's green color. Third one is, so it will be 20. Then next one is spanning tree PORTFAST. Now let's move to the next interface, that is interface fa0 slash 4. Then switch port mode SS, then switch port SS VLAN 10 because it's orange color. Then after that spanning tree PORTFAST. Done. Now exit and let me create another one VLAN which I have not created here because orange color and green color is present, blue color is not present. So switch port, so VLAN 30. So next one is VLAN 30. Done. Now after that, so I think it's clear to all of you that what are the commands which I have used in all the switches. Remember that the interfaces which are connected to switch, in those interfaces I have used the command switch port mode trunk, and those which are connected to the PCs, there I have used switch port mode SS and switch port SS VLAN, whatever is the color, that VLAN I have used there. And along with that I have used in all the switches in the configuration mode, I have used spamura, that is spanning tree mode rapid PVST command, and in the individual interfaces, those are switch port mode SS, there I have used spanning tree spanning tree PORTFAST command, so that the convergence time will be very little. So this one is done here. Along with that, I need to even select here which is the root bridge here for the different interfaces, because there are three VLANs, VLAN 20, VLAN 10 and VLAN 30. For all the three VLANs I have to select switch root bridge. So let me select root bridge, but before that I will be again configuring the router. So let me move to the router, command line interface, then enable, then config T, then here config T, then here just to wait. So here I will be using interface. The name of the interface is FH0/1, interface FH0/1. So interface FH0/ sorry, in the router the interface is interface G0/0/0 G0/0/0, then no shutdown. First of all I will on the interface. Yeah, I hope here you can see the interface is now switched on. Now I will move to interface G0/0/0.0.10. This is the sub interface which I have created here. In this sub interface, now encapsulation dot 1Q 10, interface number 10, then IP, then the next one is IP address. IP address is 192. See here, for the 10th IP address is 192.168.10.1 255.255.255.0. so this is the IP address I have used here. Now next one is for the interface gigabit interface 0/0/20. Now for this interface I will be using encapsulation dot 1Q 20, then IP address is for the 20 I will be using 20. Now I will move to the interface 30, that is third sub interface here. For the third interface, encapsulation dot 1Q 30. Then after that interface, after that the IP I will be using is 192.168.30.1. Yeah, everything is done. I have assigned the three sub interfaces in the router, because remember that in all the switches VLAN virtual LANs are being created, but in routers always sub interfaces are created. Now let me exit it and let me move to the interface. Now let me move to the interface, that is here I will be using now IP DHCP pool VLAN, IP DHCP pool VLAN 10. Now I will be using now network is 192.168.10.0. This is the network. Along with the network, I have to use subnet mask, that is 255.255.255.0. This is the network. Now I have to write default router as 192.168.10.1. This is the default router. Now exit. Now again I will be using IP DHCP pool VLAN 20. Now for the VLAN 20, the network will be 20. Now the default router is 20.1. Now the next one is, now I'll move to the IP DHCP pool VLAN, IP DHCP pool VLAN 30. Then the default router, the network is VLAN 30, the network is 30. Then the next one is default router is 30. Then exit. Done. So even I have done the configuration for the router. See, I hope you can see that I have now assigned the DHCP. So DHCP is being assigned because this is the orange color. So here 192.168.10.2, it is assigned successfully. Now for the green color, it will be 20 dot something. It will come as 20.2. Yeah, it's successful. Now move it to here. Here the IP will be 10.3 because it is orange color. Again move to the this one. Here it will be again 10 dot, it will come as 10.4. 10.4 successful DHCP. Now move it to here, it will come as 20 dot something, 20.3. Now let me check the DHCP of this. This one is 30.2 because it's a blue color. Yeah, 30.2. Now next move to this one. For this one it will be 20.4. Now next one is for this one. 10.5. For this one it's 20.5 because it's green color. For this one it will be 30 dot something. Yeah, it's 30.3. So all requests are successful, as you can see here. So my everything is very clear. By using all these commands, DHCP is successfully captured by all the PCs. Now let me move to one of the switch which I have selected for the root bridge. Now let me move to this switch. So this switch I will make as spanning enable config T. Now I will select this switch number 1 because according to my diagram this is the switch number 1. So in this switch number 1 I will select this switch as the root bridge. So let me write spanning tree VLAN 10 root primary. Okay, so I have entered the command and I have made this switched as the root bridge for the VLAN 10. Now let me make this switch as the root bridge for the VLAN 20. So enable config T, then spanning tree VLAN 20 root primary, spanning tree VLAN 10 root, spanning tree VLAN 20 root primary. So I have also made this one as the root bridge for the VLAN 20. Now let me make this one as the, see, remember that in our exercise I have selected switch number 1 as the root bridge for VLAN 10, switch number 3 as the root bridge for VLAN 20, and switch number this one, that is fourth switch, as the root bridge for the VLAN 30. So it can I can select any of the switch as the root bridge, but here I have selected as per my numerical. And the command, our main aim is to, my main aim is only to show you the command, what command I will type to make the switch as a root bridge. So now enable, then config T, then spanning tree VLAN 30 root primary, done. So now let me check whether everything is clear or not. Now let me check whether the ping is successful or not. Let me make one ping from the orange color to the orange color. See, here it's successful. Now from this orange color to this orange color, successful. So now this orange to this orange, successful. Okay, so now from green to green, from this one to this one, successful. From this to this, successful. So everything is successful. Let me delete all. Now for blue color I will check from here to here. See, successful. So now our full network is in a very successful mode, like everything is in a successful way completed. So these are the various commands which I have entered for making the router as the as a one type of router on a stick to capture the IP addresses for all the PCs. And rest I have made this this as the root bridge, this one is the root bridge, and this one is the third one is the root bridge. So I hope it's clear to everyone. And if there is any problem in any of the command, then please ask me in the comment section. And if like if you have liked the video, then please press the like button, and if you have not subscribed yet, then subscribe my channel for daily updates. And thanks for watching my video.